All right, hello everyone. Myself Manish Srivastava, and welcome back to the next video. So today we are covering one AI tool that has been recently launched by Google, and this is under the trial phase, but still it is a very nice concept. So I wanted to discuss this with you. You must have already heard the name because most of the influencers are already shouting Pomelli Pomelli all around the Instagram and YouTube. Of course. So let's explore what Pomelli actually is and what it does. So once you reach the Google AI Labs, you'll find out there are multiple tools listed down there, out of which one is Pomeli. Let's see. It is opening up. So till the point it opens up, okay. So it has already opened up, and here are the three things that this tool basically does. The first one is that first of all, it understands your DNA, the business DNA, right? So the font that you're using, the colors that you're using, the logo you have, the kind of creatives you have, and these kind of things it understands. Then it generate campaigns idea. Basically, you tell it what you want, and then it generate campaigns idea. So we will try it out right here, right now, and we'll see that how things happen. Okay. And lastly, we can ask it to generate creative. So let's go. Let's see. So it is asking for a website. So let me just give it my portfolio website link, and let's see that what it does. Okay, perfect. So I'm giving it my portfolio link. Okay, so basically it started analyzing my website. By the time it analyzes my website, I'll tell you I've already tried this once. Okay, see, it is already gathering my color. So this is my portfolio website. I upload my trainings and the things that I do, my services and these things. I'm not promoting anything over here right now because I'm not even promoting my own website. I've just created it in the back end and I've not even started sharing it honestly. No worries. So as you can see, it is finding my logo, it is learning the tone of my voice, it is writing ideas. All right, so it has already understood that what colors I have used, what fonts are there, what is the brand value that I'm providing. Okay, so it has also picked up about the business overview that what Manish Srivastava does. Okay, looks good to me. And it has also picked up my logo. So perfect. That is nice because it is already able to understand that how things can work out from my own brand. All right. So this is one of my YouTube channel's logo that has more than 3.5 lakh subscribers now. So okay, but this is irrelevant. 14, okay, whatever it is, but honestly, this is not how it works. So I want, okay, I can simply tell it that what kind of a campaign I want to build. So I want to build a campaign for promoting my social media management services. For example, I want this. Okay, so it is now thinking and generating ideas that can probably perform good. Let's see. Because this is a tool which creates creatives. That's what the tool is claiming. And let's see that what it is actually capable of. Now it is okay. So it has thought of three ideas. Is a social media revenue driver? Nice. Three AI shifts in social management. Okay, social media management. It should be. Stop manual posting. Start winning. Okay, let's try this one because it had an issue. I believe I can correct it. In social media. Okay, I can't edit it. No worries. So now it is creating the campaigns. Here is a series of creatives to post for this campaign that you can edit, delete, and move anytime. All right, so the result is here in front of you. Honestly, this is not something that I would prefer for my campaigns, to be very honest. But let's see what all could be improved here. So it provides you these kind of options where you can change the image, you can change the header, you can. So basically, everything in this creative is editable. The colors can be changed, but honestly, I am very much disappointed with the creatives. No worries. So I believe this is what this tool is all about. As you can see, I okay. So again, so these are the only few options that you have in Pomeli. So I don't believe that what is the fuss all about. Like so many creators are promoting it like anything, creating videos around this, but the concept is nice to be very honest, but whatever it is doing right now, of course it is in the experimentation phase, so I'm not expecting too much, of course. But whatever it is doing right now is just okay. It's not too good. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I believe you all can also explore and try to get some creatives out of this, and once done you can just let me know and just share your experience in the comments, of course. Thank you for watching, and this is all from my end. Manish Srivastava signing off. Take care.